Let's do a horn test right here. It is a very fun car to drive. The steering feels precise. The ride quality is a bit on the firmer side. I'm quite surprised because this is still considered a crossover. Hey guys, here we have the all-new Mini Countryman S, and today we are going to be doing a POV test drive. But before we do that, let's go ahead and check out the exterior and interior first. So the Countryman is the crossover SUV of the Mini brand. We can see some off-road or rugged design details, such as the square-ish headlights together with the black body cladding. You can also see some rugged bumper accents right there. This being the ICE version, does have a functioning grille with a red S badge there, indicating that this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. We can see the customizable DRLs here with the LED headlights. Again, this is the crossover, so you can see a much more upright body to it. You can see some interesting detail right here, contrasting roofline, and this ALL4 badge, meaning that this is an all-wheel drive vehicle. Mini has been embracing minimalist design. To open the trunk, there's a touchpad right here. It is a power tailgate. This is the cargo space that you get with the Countryman. Flip this up, there's a storage space right here for your tire fix kit and your first aid. There's no spare tire. You got this tonneau cover. The seats fold down for more flexibility in the cargo space. Power operated trunk, just press this button and closes right up. We move to the rear seat, check out the back seat space. So getting in and out is fairly easy thanks to the ride height. Close the door. Solid door sounding. I have enough leg room and foot room too. There's plenty of space. Headroom I also get a lot because of the square body design. Now the door cards, there are some interesting materials here and feels very premium. Rear seat amenities include 2 air vents and 2 Type-C charging ports. For the center console, get this flip down. You have 2 cup holders and the seats are leather. You also get this blue Mini accents going throughout the seats. Feels pretty nice, and you have this panoramic sunroof. Okay, let's move to the front seat. Again with the flush door handle. There's also a keyless entry system. If you close the door, nice and solid. Right, so I have the key here with me. Feels very premium. So I have your Mini logo here. This is the lock button. On the side you have your unlock, trunk release, and your light switch. Just have the key inside the vehicle. Put your foot on the brake and flick this key to turn on the vehicle. Ooh, and you get that nice 2.0 sound. The seats are power adjustable. It will automatically go back to the previous setting. Front and center of the dash, you have a 9.5 OLED touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Driver gets a 3-spoke design steering wheel with this interesting mesh design. Off to the right, you have your multimedia controls. Off to the left, you have your cruise control. You get these shortcut buttons, thankfully. This is the gear selector, so put your foot on brake, down for drive, up for reverse, flick it once for neutral. And if you put the car in reverse, the side mirrors will tilt down. Again, this is the engine switch to turn it on. You have a volume knob right here and seat controls, front and rear defrosters, hazard switch, your backup camera button, and your button to activate the ADAS, so your lane departure and whatnot. You also have here your experiences knob, so you can switch to go-kart. There you go. Go to core. And you have various sound effects as you switch through experiences. This is green. And for green, that's the eco mode, and it will slightly lower the air conditioning. So this is the center console. You have a wireless charging pad right here. More storage space right here. 2 cup holders. This interesting console box with a pull tab right here. Also has the Mini logo. You have this adjustable center armrest. And you get more storage down here. You also get 2 charging ports right here, Type-C, and a 12-volt power outlet right here. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Put the car in gear, click this button down, You can also see the heads-up display has an interesting design. Ooh, you get a nice rumble from the 2.0 engine. Feels pretty responsive too. It is a very fun car to drive. It's pretty responsive. I like it. The steering feels precise. There's not much body roll, which I'm quite surprised because this is still considered a crossover. Now, I do have to say the ride quality is a bit on the firmer side, but again, it's just for the driving dynamics, I think it's pretty okay. Now, unfortunately, we don't get paddle shifters. Still pretty quick. Not much turbo lag coming from the engine, and the transmission shifts fairly smooth. You can also see here in the go-kart setting that your Newton meters and power meter right here, even a G-force meter. So let's switch it to core, which is the normal mode. This is what you'll be using mostly in the city. Still gets going. It absorbs the bumps pretty well, but again, it's a bit on the firmer side. As for visibility, you get a great view of the hood line. The A-pillar isn't as intrusive, although it's a bit more forward than usual and has that upright angle. Towards the side, you can see a large side mirror, and at the rear you can still see a great view of the back. It's not, the rear windows aren't that small, but again, you have a beautiful panoramic roof. It doesn't let in as much heat, but if you don't want it, you can also cover it, which is a pretty nice addition. Let's do a horn test right here. Feels very premium. The steering is something else. It feels very precise, and the chunky bolsters makes it feel very sporty. There are a lot of Easter eggs here with the center screen, so you can also choose timeless for that retro feel. Just press this P button right here, and to turn off the vehicle, just flick this button again, or switch rather. And there you go, the car is turned off, the parking brake is activated. Alright guys, that was a POV drive of the Mini Countryman S. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.